Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to add a photo slider in Google Sites using the 2026 layout. There are two easy ways to do it. The first method is the built-in image carousel. Just open the Insert panel, choose Image Carousel, upload your photos, and adjust the settings. You can turn on autoplay, add arrows or dots, and resize the slider however you want. The second method uses Google Slides. Create a slide deck with one image per slide, add transitions or captions, and publish it to the web with autoplay turned on. Copy the embed code and paste it into Google Sites using the embed tool. This gives you a more advanced animated photo slider. Preview your page on mobile and desktop, adjust the layout if needed, and publish your site once everything looks good. And that's it. That's how to add a photo slider in Google Sites for 2026. Thanks for watching.